Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!